Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I have a shaker card today and it's a little bit of everything. I'm using the layered Christmas ornaments here, and I did die cut them all out of white cardstock, and I will be ink blending the top portion of these dies. They're really pretty. You get 4 different designs and I'm using 3 of them for today's video. So I will be using some distress inks in purple, pink, and blue. And this card is a shaker card and it's die cutting, and it's just really fun. I had a lot of fun making this card. And these dies are part of Kat Scrappiness's new releases. And I have fun always ink blending. I love to ink blend, so I always choose to, most of the time I choose to die cut out of white cardstock and then I will ink blend. So it would look really pretty too if you die cut these ornaments out of glitter paper. There is a few samples on the website. So I'm using the pink here and I'm using my Kat Scrappiness ink blending brushes. And this one's a fun one because it has stars. There's that big star in the center with the little stars. And since I chose to use this color combo, I'm just going to be ink blending everything with these colors. I also will be using Lost Shadow here for the bow and the string. And I wanted it to look like a metal color, like a real ornament silver for the string or the hanging portion. And these are the cutest little bows. So you can easily use these bows all year round. I might just have to die cut a bunch of them and keep them on my desk. And just finishing ink blending here with the Lost Shadow. Do you like to make shaker cards? I love to make shaker cards, but I can only do great shaker cards when I use like a sleeve, like an acetate sleeve, or if I die cut frames. So that's what I'll be doing for this card, die cutting a bunch of rectangle frames. And I will have everything listed in the description that is available at the Kat Scrappiness store. So here I am just putting the top portion there so that I can put my string and my bow. And then I'm going to be using some dies from up on the roof. And so really easy just to slide those through. Really pretty. And I'm going to be inlaying all these stars. It would look pretty if you just used white or glitter or foil. So these ornaments are just really, really cute and pretty. And super fun to play with. So I tried to ink blend them with the purple and the pink and the blue and try and alternate the stars. And I think liquid glue was easier for me to add all these stars. I'm not sure which design I like the best. They're really, really pretty. There's one I didn't use, and it has like little circles and like a strip. So here is the other die set that I'm using. I'm using the lights and the presents. For the presents, it's actually the window die. So I chose to make it a present, which is really easy to do. You just die cut the window frame there, and then you just use some cardstock and layer it and then cut the excess off. So really easy. So hopefully you'll make some presents for your cards. And then I ink blended all the little squares and just glued them back in. And then I will be using some of those bows from the layered ornament dies. And I will be gluing those bows on the presents in different ways. I did ask my daughter which way would it look more like a present, and I believe she liked the ones with the bows on top, but I chose to do a bow in the center because I thought that was cute as well. And I'm just using my tools here, and then I'm just going to cut the string portion off and then glue my bows. And I believe I ink blended these also with Lost Shadow. And so I'm doing 3 presents, just like the 3 ornaments, with my 3 color combination. And then my lights are also in the 3 color combination as well. And then next, after I finish with these windows, I'm cutting out my frames in the purple glitter. I also use the aqua glitter for the bottom portion, and then I'm using white frames as well, and I'm just going to glue everything together. And then I will use the sparkling snow glitter sequins mix, and then I will use some clay snowflakes from the Frosties sprinkle mix. And then I'm using some packaging, and so I'm just going to glue all those together. And really easy to do. I love to make shakers this way because foam tape's a little bit harder for me, so at least I know that. And I did wipe off the glue on my acetate. And then here is the snowflakes, and the snow glitter is really pretty. And then I'm just gluing that together on an A2 card base. And then I will be gluing my lights and my ornaments and my presents. And then I will be adding a sentiment. I was going to use the Happy stamp set. I think it's Happy Day stamp set, but I chose to use the Reindeer Games sentiments instead. And that finishes my card. I did ink blend the edges with that purple. And I hope you like my card today. Thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.